So hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 451, that is sort characters by frequency, and in this we'll be given a string S. We have to sort it in decreasing order based on the frequency of the characters, and the frequency of character is the number of times it appears in the string. Okay, and we have to return the sorted string. If there are we have to return any of them. Okay, so for example in this we are given TRE, so we have to return the string on the basis of the character that is occurring the most number of times, that is E, that is occurring twice. So we'll add two E's first, then we'll add one R and then one T, or you can even do EETR, that will also be counted as a valid answer. Okay, so for this let's first have a map of frequency, that for let's say character comma integer, and let's call it frequency, that is equal to new hash map, and then let's put it into the characters into the map, for char ch in s dot to character array. And what I'll be doing frequency dot put ch comma frequency dot get or default sorry, get or default ch comma 0 plus 1. Okay, so by now I have updated the frequency of each character that is occurring in the string S, and now for the counting the frequency and for sorting them we'll be using a priority queue. Okay, so let's have a queue of character, let's call it max heap, that is equal to new priority queue, priority queue, and this queue will be sort on the basis of the character and according on the basis of the decreasing order of the frequencies. Okay, so this will be accepting two characters, and what we have to do, b dot frequency dot get b minus frequency dot get a. Okay, so before returning I'll just show you that how this maxi will look like. Okay, okay, I have to put the characters also into the map, so that for char ch in frequency dot key set, let's put this into the map, max heap dot put ch, and now let's just print this max heap. So system dot out dot print ln max heap, and let's for the time let's just return a new string and let's run it so that you will be able to see the max heap. How does it look like? Oh sorry, max heap dot add. Yeah, and it prints out EETR, and we wanted it to be sorted on the basis of frequency only. Okay, so now let's do that while our not max heap dot is empty. And okay, so firstly let's have a string builder so that we can append answer, let's say, and we so that we can append the character into it. So notice I'll be using a string builder, I'll not be using the string concatenation method because the time complexity of string concatenation is in square and string builder is way less than that. Because the plus operation is the concatenation one and it is used in string, it creates a new string every time, so I'll be not be using that, I'll be using a string builder instead of it. This just keep this thing in mind because string concatenation takes a high complexity, so we'll be using a string builder and we'll be appending it to it. Okay, I guess in C++, if you do, then you can simply use streams. I guess there's this class which you can use. Okay, so let's do character ch will be equal to max heap dot pool, and we have to append this into the string according to the time it is occurring, so that for and I equal to 0, I less than map dot get ch and then I plus plus. What I'll be doing, answer dot append. Correct. Okay, and let's just return answer to string, answer dot to string, and let's run it. Okay, sorry, not map, it's frequency dot get. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. I guess the output, uh, yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.